This is Signal Hounds talking RF, and today we're talking channel power. Channel power is the method for measuring the power of a wideband or modulated signal. It is defined as the sum of power over a defined bandwidth. Channel power is a common measurement used in wireless communication signal verification, signal detection, troubleshooting, RF mapping, and more. When combined with adjacent channel power, it can be used to verify conformance to wireless communication standards. Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here, and today we're talking about the channel power measurement feature in Spike. The channel power measurement is a simple way to measure the power of a modulated broadband or spread spectrum signal. Spike software can perform this measurement for any given bandwidth and center frequency. This measurement is done by integrating over the channel bandwidth, so it's sometimes called the integrated bandwidth method. From the channel power control panel in Spike, you can set the bandwidth of your measurement channel and define up to 5 adjacent channel power measurements. Adjacent channel power measurements are useful for measuring frequency division multiplex signals or for measuring leakage and intermodulation. The width and offset of each adjacent channel can be individually set, and you can change the color of the main channel to distinguish it from adjacent channels. Results are displayed in a table for quick reference and can be also logged into a file. These measurements come standard in Spike. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.